Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool circular white flash on CapCut PC. Go to library and add in a white background on top of your video and add it just to the beginning of your video. And you are going to select mask and you're going to make a circle out of it. Go back to basic and you're going to add a keyframe here. And then kind of like at the beginning, you're going to add a keyframe and scale it all the way. And you're just going to want to test if it's too fast or too slow. If it's too slow like so, just zoom in, go to the flash and move the keyframe closer. And if that's again a little bit too slow, move it closer again. And that's enough. And then I'm going to go to the first keyframe and I'm going to add a keyframe to the blend mode. Then on the second one, I'm going to turn the opacity to 100. On the first one, turn it down from 0. And you'll have the circular, oops, it's not working. Oh, sorry, it should be from 100 to 0. Sorry about that. And this is what it should look like. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!